What is the foundational economy? Think of the shop local movement. It's all about keeping money in the community, making greener choices, supporting good jobs and building local resilience. Now imagine going bigger and deeper and spreading this ethos across all public services, jobs and infrastructure in Wales. That's the ambition of the Welsh Government's foundational economy team, to strengthen everyday life from the ground up. The foundational economy approach is all about the everyday goods and services that we rely on to survive and to live a decent and secure life. Things like health and social care, housing, energy, food, transport, construction, and local shops. They are essential, and they're often delivered by local businesses or public bodies like councils and health boards, or community organisations like housing associations. They may not be flashy, but they support everything. Industries such as technology and advanced manufacturing can be fantastic for our economy, but the everyday foundational economy deserves our attention too, because if we neglect the foundation, everything above will become unstable. Why does the foundational economy matter? In many parts of Wales, the foundational economy isn't just part of the economy, it is the economy, providing thousands of jobs and making sure that everyone, no matter where they are in Wales, has access to what they need to live and thrive. And it isn't just about delivering services, it's about fairness, dignity, and making sure that everyone has the chance to live a good life in line with Wales's well-being goals. Now imagine living in a community where businesses and organisations didn't invest in people or places. Over time, even the strongest, most connected communities would begin to feel the storm. Not because people stopped caring, but because the everyday foundations that hold communities together were allowed to crumble. The foundational economy matters because it powers everyday life in Wales, providing good jobs, supporting strong communities, and helping us tackle big challenges like climate change and inequality. The goal? Fair work, thriving local businesses, greener choices, and a Wales where everyone can live well, no matter where they are. How is Welsh Government supporting the foundational economy in Wales? The foundational economy approach is already making a real difference in Wales, through targeted investment, better public services, and stronger support for local suppliers. The Welsh Government is committed to using public spending to back Welsh firms, helping to sustain thriving local industries and good jobs. We're supporting businesses to build the skills, accreditations, and confidence they need to supply the public sector, while making procurement simpler and encouraging innovation and collaboration. From training workers to strengthening local food systems, this approach is helping Wales grow more resilient, fairer, and more sustainable. How is the foundational economy working in Wales? We've helped keep over 1,100 food sector jobs in Wales by funding food accreditations for Welsh firms, boosted local veg growing by 20%, and brought an extra £100,000 into the local food economy by helping schools switch to local produce. We've supported 20 small businesses to gain retrofitting accreditations, creating 120 skilled jobs, with plenty more on the way. We're backing young people too. We've helped 120 young adults gain net zero construction placements, with 80% landing jobs or apprenticeships. We also have a scheme called Cymru, Energy Wales, which supports community ownership of renewable energy. And we're connecting businesses with Foundational Economy Expo events, linking over 1,000 attendees to £36 billion in contract opportunities. There are so many opportunities available. One of our favourites is Hywel Dda Health Board's Grow Your Own Workforce scheme, which develops existing staff and trains local people to take up good jobs with NHS Wales. This reduces reliance on expensive agency staff and creates good jobs for local people who may not have even thought there was a job in the NHS for them. How can I get involved in the foundational economy? Every single one of us, as individuals, workers, companies or policymakers, has the power to strengthen Wales's foundational economy by championing local businesses, choosing Welsh-made products and services, and actively supporting community-owned or social enterprises in our areas. You could discover innovative approaches to make your services more sustainable and fair. Or you could consider joining local initiatives, cooperatives, or community groups which focus on improving vital everyday services like transport, food, housing, or care. If you run a business, platforms like Sell to Wales can help you unlock new opportunities by connecting you with public sector buyers. By supporting the foundational economy, you are doing more than just meeting today's needs. You're directly investing in building stronger local economies and fairer, greener communities throughout Wales for generations to come. For more information, please visit gov.wales/foundational-economy.